Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to embed Facebook video in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So right now I'm going to embed a Facebook video inside of this post. So I'm going to edit this post. At the same time I'm going to copy the video link which I'm going to insert of my post. So I'm going to copy this link, and after that open a new tab and type here developers.facebook.com, and then click on docs and scroll down. Now click on social plugins and scroll down, then click on embedded video and live video player, and you have to delete this URL and now paste your copied video URL. And here we can see the preview of the video, and you can change the video width from here. I'm giving here 800, and you can include full post. So for that, here we can see like, comment and share showing up here. So I'm going to, after that, click on get code. Then you have to copy the step 2 code. Now go to your dashboard and click here, then select code editor and now paste your code here. WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, add new, and search here insert header and footer. Then install this plugin and activate, and after activating, hover over on settings, then here you'll find this option insert headers and footers. Click on it and open your embedded tab, and from here select the step 1 code, copy the step 1 code and script in header, paste the code here and then click on save. And after that, if I view my post, here you can see the Facebook video has been embedded. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.